Hi, Carson. Whatever that means. Good morning, everybody. It's 11 o'clock. I woke up like at 8, woke up at like 8:30, and then I woke up at like 10.
Yeah, they're kind of bright for like...
Okay, we could just leave them then.
I mean, they started off dim when I walked over there, but...
Yeah, they're the dim and then they get brighter lights.
Okay, well, let me just...
We'll see how it looks. I have therapy at technically right now, so she should be calling soon. And then I'm gonna meal prep today. Carson's gonna do the wings. And I made this yesterday with Carson. This is the Long Island pink body Secro, which means scrub. Hopefully I'll label that and get it up today. Oh, when did I eat? When Elizabeth came over last night. That was like 5. 18 hours of fasting yesterday. That's a long time. They be fasting too low-key for mad long, right? Yeah, you do. Like, you don't even like intend to do it. He doesn't intend to do it, but he just does it, right?
Yeah.
So
Just don't eat in the morning.
yeah, he doesn't. But you never really like to eat in the morning anyway.
Yes.
Fasting has really, intermittent fasting, that's what they call it, has really been working for me. Because I ate that mac and cheese yesterday, and usually when I eat like carbs and... Huh?
This contains mercury.
That's scary. Usually when I eat like a lot of carbs or salt or like just bread or whatever and a lot of sugar, I'll gain, but I actually lost like 0.2 pounds, so that's a really good.
God bless you, Opie. Good bless you. He's a vlogger now.
With Carson starting the meal prep, so potatoes with the wings in the oven. I finished my workout. I did 3 miles, so not too bad. I'm about to eat some lunch. Carson is on potatoes. I'm gonna do some wings. Honey mustard wings. Hello, friends.
In case you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch yesterday's vlog. Okay, here we go.
I'm doing my hair while watching Miss Remy Ashton. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, and Carson is spraying Obi with the water.
Second time, much better. This time, I just learned myself. People do this with their head. It doesn't mix up. It stays comfy. Actually, gargle it like mouthwash.
I think he's
in your
over it,
mouth.
babe.
It works way better. All right.
I haven't been vlogging that much because I've been having migraines. I think I'm eating too much dairy products.
Oh, it's warm. You know why he doesn't like it.
Yeah, because it's warm for my hair. So I got this hair done. This looks like an interview or something, or like something serious. Hi, Obi. Because this light is like yellow and then this light is really bright. So it kind of doesn't work out. I need to pack because we're going to Long Island to see my family for Christmas. And we're also gonna go drive around some towns of where I was accepted into grad school. Very exciting. Obi is so cute. Look at him. Hi. Hello. He's so precious. Anyway, so we're gonna pack. I just finished combing out my hair with my wide tooth comb, and let's get to packing. Hello, Obi. Just finished the zucchini, so now I have potato and zucchini in there, and then I'm gonna add chicken tomorrow for meals for my parents' house when I go there. Are you gonna pop out and scare me or something? You're probably behind the door. Or not. Babe! Please don't scare me. Is this recording? It is recording, you little fucker. You're probably in the closet. Alright, pussy.
I wasn't even gonna scare you. I was
fucking were.
I was just hiding.
No, you're gonna fucking scare me.
I really wasn't though.
No,
That was not the plan.